In this video, we're gonna be taking a look at the Six Figure Sunday program by Adrian G. Adrian G shows you inside his course how to earn money online. He promises to show you how you can earn 6 figures a year working only 1 day a week from your laptop. Is that even possible? What does Adrian do to earn this kind of money? We will take a look inside the course. I will show you what awaits you inside the Six Figure Sunday program. First of all, I'm an online marketer. I earn more than 5 figures every month by using different online marketing strategies. So I know that you can earn money online. I know that you can earn, really good money online. We will take a look inside of Adrian's course and I will show you if this course is worth its money, what does Adrian show you here, and so on. So I would say let's go, let's look inside the course and let's look what Adrian G has to offer here. So first of all, before we start, you can check out the video of Adrian via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/SFS. It's the first link in the video description. You can check out the Six Figure Sunday video from Adrian. You can also get the course via this link under the video. When you get the course via the link under the video, you will also get my undercover strategy, where I basically show you how I'm earning more than $10,000 every month without even showing my face. With complete undercover online marketing strategies, I mainly do affiliate marketing. I will show you exactly my process, step by step, click by click, and you can do the same strategies as I do. It's normally worth $499. You will get it completely for free in my bonus bomber package, additionally to the Six Figure Sunday program by Adrian. You will also get my Amazon Kindle strategy, which is worth $199, which is one of the main strategies I'm using. You can upload Amazon Kindle ebooks to Amazon. You can rank them for specific keywords like dog training and so on. You can make money with it. If you know how to link affiliate products in your ebooks, if you know how to sell your ebooks, so you can use one of the biggest websites in the internet, Amazon, for making money. In the Amazon Kindle store, I will show you exactly how I set this up, how I'm making more than a full-time income every month with the Amazon Kindle strategy. It's also a video course of mine. It's normally worth $199. You will get it for free in my bonus bomber package if you get the Six Figure Sunday course via the link under the video. My YouTube affiliate hack, where I show you how you can, without creating your own videos, without showing your face, use the second biggest search engine for affiliate marketing, for selling digital products 24/7, completely automated. It's normally worth $297. You will get it for free in my bonus bomber package. And last but not least, my traffic booster, where I show you how I spend money on Facebook ads and on Google ads to run ad campaigns on different affiliate products that pay me for selling a product. So basically my goal here is to spend $100 and earn $200 out of it. And I can scale that up. So basically I can then spend $1,000 and get $2,000 out of it. So I buy visitors, I buy course buyers, where the intent is to get more revenue than I spent on my ad budget. Normally worth $399. You will also get this video course completely for free with the Six Figure Sunday program by Adrian. Just get the course via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/SFS, and you will get all my bonus courses additionally. So here we are inside the members area of the Six Figure Sunday program. Like you already see here, it's a complete course where Adrian shows you exactly his way, how he did that, how he creates an automated income, how he earns more than 6 figures every year by using these strategies. You don't have to show your face. You can completely automate this strategy. In the first module, Adrian is basically showing you what's important, what kind of mindset should you have for earning money online, limiting beliefs that hold you back, choosing your niche, how to find your niche, and so on. We will take a look at the first video, at the welcome video here. I can't show you every video, but what I want to show you is the first video, so let's go.
All right, so I wanted to welcome you to the Six Figure Sunday program. You have made an amazing lifestyle choice if you implement all of the techniques, all of the strategies, the methods within this program to your life, okay? I'm currently here in Iceland. It's fucking amazing. The view from my hotel room, I've literally got volcanic rocks right by the door, a beautiful landscape. It's fucking breathtaking. This hotel room's costing $600 a night, right? And I'm not saying this to brag or anything. I'm telling you this because every single technique, every single strategy, method that is in this program, if I wouldn't have implemented that to my lifestyle, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. Okay, so I want to say this to motivate you, because this shit, this doesn't make me truly happy. You know, these luxuries don't make me truly happy. If I went out and bought a Ferrari, it wouldn't make me truly happy. You know, what makes me truly happy is having the ability to transform and better the lives of others. So whether it's through this program, whether it's through my dating program, that's what truly makes me happy. So I just wanted to give you this little introduction, this little welcome, because you have made a fucking amazing choice right now. Just make sure you implement every single strategy, every technique within this program to your lifestyle. Okay, take action, and you've taken the first step by joining this program. All right, so I'm gonna leave it at that for this introduction video. I want you to enjoy this program, and I'm just an email away, okay? If you have any questions, just email me at adrian@theadriang.com, and I'm more than happy to respond to you, to give you additional advice, to answer your questions and whatnot. All right, so enjoy this program and good luck.
Yeah, Adrian explained that perfectly. Like I already said, in the first module, everything is about the mindset, is about the right thinking structure, how to find your niche. So basically you will learn to go in a specific niche and dominate this niche with your products and earn money with it. How do you build a community around your niche? What are the 7 keys to success? And then here, second module is about building a profitable product. So how do you build a profitable product like Adrian did here? He will show you exactly how you can copy his steps, 7 beliefs setting you up for failure, physical products versus information products. I will also show you what products I build or how you can use products from others in my Bonus Bumper bonus courses, which you will get for free when you get the 6 Figure Sunday program from Adrian via the link under the video. My main strategy is just promoting other products, so I don't even have to show my face. I don't have to create the products. I just get 50% affiliate commission when I sell a product. I will show you how you can do that also. Benefits of information products: they are completely digital. You can sell them hundreds of times. You don't have to restock them. Yeah, like the name already says, those are digital products. They never run out. How to generate ideas for your information product. How do you create your own product? How do you launch it? How do you launch it profitably? More products equals more money. How can you use that? How can you market your product? And how can you automatically sell it through online ads and so on? I will show you that in my traffic booster, which you will also get for free when you get the 6 Figure Sunday program via the link under the video. Then, if you don't have a product, like I already said, you can use affiliate marketing. So you can just take others' products, you can sell them online, you get 50% affiliate commission, and you don't have to do the support, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to care about refunds and so on. Everything is done for you and you just sell the product, get 50% out of it. This is one of my main strategies, and yeah, have no worries with it. Choosing the right products. So which affiliate products should you promote? Where do you find them? Where are the marketplaces to find the best products? Which products does Adrian promote? You will learn that here. Keys for affiliate success. You will learn everything what's important inside this video. What are the keys for success? Network marketing, should you use it? Should you do network marketing? I'm not a big fan of network marketing. Here Adrian gives you his opinion about it. Freelancing as a lifestyle, you can also use freelancer platforms like freelancer.com, upwork.com and fiverr.com to earn money online. So you can list your services on there and somebody pays you for creating a logo, for doing a specific kind of work. You know what? I also have a Fiverr strategy course. I would also like to give it to you additionally to my bonus bumper package, where I exactly show you how I built one of the biggest Fiverr accounts out there by just using Fiverr arbitrage. So I listed services on freelancer platforms like Fiverr for, let's say, $50. I paid someone else $20 or $30 to do this service. I sold the service for $50 and I just kept the arbitrage amount. So I didn't have to do the work. I just had to find the right people that do the work for less money and I just keep the arbitrage amount. You will also get my Fiverr strategy video course for free when you get the 6 Figure Sunday program via the link under my video. Become a millionaire by copying one of the most important videos here. If you see somebody that has success in a specific kind of niche, with a specific strategy and so on, you can just copy them one to one. You can copy their steps, you can copy their clicks and so on and yield the same results as they do. Membership sites. What's a membership site? How can you create membership sites? How can you test it? And so on. The big advantage of a membership site, if you want to build one, is that you have recurring payments. You will get payments every week or every month. It depends. Adrian shows you everything inside here. Creating your coaching program. You can also create your own coaching program. If you have a specific kind of topic where you know more than the average person, then you can create a coaching program where you teach others this skill you are good at. Your website, how do you set up your website and so on. Adrian explains that here. What are landing pages? How can you do search engine optimization? So how do you make sure that your sites basically rank on the first results of Google? How do you create your own blog for selling your products? Secrets to maximizing sales and so on. Put your product in front of people. How do you do that? And great relationship equals more money. How do you create an email list? How do you successfully market through email? How to build profitable relationships through email and so on. So you will have everything inside here that you need for a complete beginner, even if you haven't done anything in the online marketing niche yet, to earn money online. Adrian shows you how you can make money with your own digital products, with your own courses. How can you make money with affiliate marketing without even creating your own courses, which is my main strategy. I don't create my own products mainly. I just do affiliate marketing. How do you create membership sites? How can you create a coaching program? And so on. You will learn everything inside here. And yeah, I can say with this knowledge, it's definitely possible to earn a full-time income, even earn 6 figures a year. I'm also earning more than 5 figures every month by using different affiliate marketing strategies without even showing my face. I'm completely undercover. And yeah, you can do the same as I do and as Adrian does. Yeah, so like I already said, you can get the 6 Figure Sunday course by Adrian G via the link under the video, bonusbumper.com/6 Figure Sunday. Like I already promised you, I will give you the Fiverr arbitrage strategy on top, where I show you one of the strategies I started with, just using Fiverr arbitrage. So I listed my services on freelancer platforms, basically, yeah, for example, creating a logo for $50. People bought that offer. I paid someone $20 to do that logo, and I just kept the $30 arbitrage amount. I will show you exactly how I do that, how I built one of the biggest Fiverr accounts on the platform. I will show you the account. I will show you the exact strategy. It's normally worth $399. you will get this video course where I show you everything step by step, click by click, inside my bonus bomber package. Just get the 6 Figure Sunday course from Adrian via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/sfs, the first link in the video description. You will also get my undercover strategy, which is normally worth $499, where I show you how I do affiliate and online marketing strategies completely undercover without showing my face. I will show you exactly on my screen how I set up my projects to earn money 24/7, completely automated. I'm doing different affiliate marketing strategies, some of those using free traffic, some of those are using paid traffic. I will show you everything inside my undercover strategy video course. It's normally worth $499. You will get it for free when you get the 6 Figure Sunday program via the link under my video. My Amazon Kindle strategy, where I show you how you can make money on Amazon Kindle by using affiliate marketing, my YouTube affiliate tag, and my video course, the Traffic Booster, where I show you how you can use Google advertising and Facebook advertising for selling affiliate products. So without creating your own product, without showing your face, completely undercover, I will show you exactly how I make more than 5 figures every month by using these strategies. You can get the 6 Figure Sunday course via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/sfs. Like you already see here, just don't forget to write me an email to bonus@bonusbomber.com when you got the course, so I can send you access to my members area to all the video courses I just showed you directly. If you have any questions, just hit the comment box below. I'm happy to answer all of your questions. I wish you great results and great commissions with the 6 Figure Sunday course and my bonus courses. So make sure to get it via the link under the video, first link in the video description. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.